What's up, everybody? We took another L after 2 break-even trades. And it's kind of frustrating for me. Very frustrating, guys. Today, I had I had really high confidence in longs. Which, here's the thing. Here's the thing. I think I'm trying to go for a little too much R, in some scenarios, especially in a scenario where I'm trying to catch a flip, bullish. Look at this, right? I'm trying to catch trades all the way up to this 15-minute gap up here. And it's like, realistically, I should have just been targeting the hourly gap that's right here. And so, and if I'd have been targeting the hourly gap, we would have been done with our trading day right off open, because these are the 3 trades I took. And the reason I took 3 trades is because the first 2 were break evens and I still had confidence higher, which we are now moving higher after, I finally got stopped out. But, and since I say normally I would do just 2 break evens and then be done, I was still so confident that I just de-risked on my 3rd trade. So I only lost $80, but still a loss. And probably shouldn't have taken a 3rd trade. But here was my first trade. And ES hadn't taken London High yet, and London High is super high up there. But the confidence in this trade came from the rejection we were getting on the hourly. I love this candle structure where we get a bearish candle with a wick, and then we sweep that wick and then close bullish. And so I was super confident in longs. And so we ended up taking a long here, right here on this, with the stop below this wick. I went break even at these internal equal highs. And my TP was at this 15-minute. And I should have just TP'd at this hourly for a 1-to-1, and we would have made our bread for the day. But I didn't, okay? I didn't do it. So I got break even on this trade after it came down, after I was already break even. So then I'm like, okay, I'm still confident. If we can, I'm still confident in higher. I just need, more confirmation this time. We swept this 930 low, rejected. Okay, then we come down and create another one of those, those Doge wick, bullish closures that I like. So I entered here. Okay, TP was just going to be the internal high this time, and I went break even at the 5-minute gap, which this was the 5-minute gap. So I went break even at that internal high. Got break even again. And I'm like, okay, the way that we're doing this, I'm sure if we give one more entry that this is going to be the time that we go, which now obviously we probably go off this to these internal highs, and I could just, frustrating, I know, but it's okay. So then we get this entry. I enter, going to go break even at this internal high, TP, full TP at the main internal high for the day, where we hit that, which is honestly probably stupid, but then we get stopped out, and that's the day. Nothing more, nothing less. Not really mad, honestly. I mean, it's just about following your system, following your rules, man. We didn't even lose, a full 200 today. I'm not mad, but it is a little frustrating that we got break even twice on those trades, and I think mostly it was because we're going for way too much. We just need to go for our piece of the pie, and I'm going to start doing that. I really like this trade system that I've got going, though, and for me personally, I've seen it play out so many times. I have so much conviction in wicks like this, closures like this. I know we're at least going to go, and I just need to target the most near draw that's likely. Like, even if I'd have just entered here and targeted equal highs, we could have got a 1.3 R right there, right? And so, like, think about it. We enter this trade, we full TP. Even if we full TP at the hourly, we hit, okay? We enter this trade here. Okay, we go for a 1-to-1. Let's say we just go for a 1-to-1. I mean, we hit, okay? We're always going 1-to-1 with this setup. And so I just need to start looking for less, and my win rate will increase, and I know that. Enter here, go for, these internal highs, or a 1-to-1 even. Think about it. I mean, look at that. 1-to-1, okay? Actually, more than a 1-to-1 because I like to go the base of the wicks on these kind of trade systems. I don't see the point. If we're going to go down this far, we're going to sweep the wick. That's a win, okay? This one here, 1-to-1. Let's say we went for a 1-to-1. I mean, dog. You know what I'm saying? All these trades would have won today, but instead we're getting break even and stopped out. And that's just going to go show you that I need to start taking my piece of the pie and stop being greedy. But because it's not about the money, it's about the system, about the trades that you take, about, where you're going to take off. And me wanting that random 15-minute gap way up here inside of these bearish imbalances is just stupid. So that's the day. Hope you guys can learn some sauce from that video. And, yeah, I'll catch you guys later.